Hello friends, today I'm doing another unboxing of jeans. This time there will be jeans also from Gap, and this time I have Gap jeans here. So these ones are called high-rise curvy true skinny ankle. So they looks like this. They are light wash but too dimmed, like darker, light but little dark. I don't know how to explain it, but it's little dark. And they are curvy, which means that waist is smaller but this part is wider, which I didn't know at first, and I got them, and I think they are a little loose here, which you will see in the video. We also have this secret moving pockets here, which make your belly looks more hidden or flatter. Yeah, nice quality jeans, and they were on sale for 20 bucks or something like this. So yeah, I will try them on. So these are curvy, they are a little tight. I mean, not tight, but maybe they are like, they are here, looking like this. Of jeans. These ones are from Gap Factory Jeans. They're having the sale on online, and I was looking through the site and I found few really not expensive models, as they are on clearance, and they were even additional sale from clearance. So first jeans I've got are these ones. These ones are, it says Gap denim. I don't know if Gap Factory is Gap or is a different one, but this is saying that they are Gap. But it's Gap Girlfriend, stretch mid-rise, easy through the hip and thigh, tapered legs. It says here. And this denim looks like this. They are in 16. They have nice stretch, which looks really cute. They are a little bit vintage looking, and they are cotton, I think. They have these holes that are covered behind and here hole is open, and here is covered again. And also we have raw distress, raw hem with some distress, and V ankles. See? So yeah, that's really nice jeans. They were for $15. I would try them more. Next ones I've got are also from Gap Factory and also Girlfriend. But they are in light wash, in the same 16 size. So they are almost like light blue, but this dimmed. See, it's a little like darker wash, darker light. Or maybe very dirty, I don't know. But very nice and stretchy, and they are loose. And I have some distressing here and here. And they have normal ankles. These were for $10. No, these were for $7. So they were really inexpensive. That's why I got them really fast. These are Girlfriend jeans. So they are a little loose, but nice. Very good fit. Don't punch into your belly. And comfortable. And last one for this video are similar, but they are jeans called high rise leggings ankle. They are from Gap Factory and also light wash, but the difference is that they have buttons. Gap denim it says in front. So we have these buttons, and we don't have secret pockets, just cheap looking normal pockets like this. And then denims are like, maybe they are from different past seasons, I don't know. They were also not expensive, near $10. But very comfortable, skinny, comfortable for some activities, and yeah. Gap Factory jeans. So they are a little skinny. So that's all in this video. Hope you enjoy my unboxing and try on. Hope you like jeans. If you want me to continue, then thumbs up and subscribe and hit notification bell to be notified for future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.